Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'll be doing the charging test in the Poco F2 Pro by using this application which is called Q Battery. So which gives all the statistics while charging the phone, how much time it actually takes, and it also records how much is the maximum speed of charging current. So all the statistics I will be showing you right now. So right now the battery is of 6%. So before the charging test I have did with the phone in switch off mode. So right now I decided to keep the phone turned on. So when the battery reaches to the 5%, I'll start to charge the phone Poco F2 Pro. So we can actually see the statistics, how much it is while charging the phone and how much time it actually takes and what is the charging speed rate. As you can see, you can clearly see each and every statistics here. So this is the first time I'm using this application which is called Q Battery. So if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description for more videos similarly like this. So you can find playlists for each and every smartphone, all the links in description. Even this kind of good looking live wallpaper for any punch holes mobile phones as well. As you can see friends, this kind of live wallpapers which looks pretty attractive in any of the smartphones. So definitely try to check the links in description for more videos. As you can see, the Poco F2 Pro comes with a 33 watt charger capacity. You can clearly see here. So 33 watts charging. So let's see what is the maximum current we do get while charging the Poco F2 Pro using this charger, and how much time it actually takes when the phone is in turn on mode. So let me disconnect the Wi-Fi as well. And I'm using the Poco F2 Pro for past I think 2 to 3 weeks, and definitely I fell in love with this phone in terms of the performance and touch sampling rate, and even the display is the other biggest factor. And recently when it got updated with the MIUI 12 as well, as you can see here, MIUI 12. So definitely I'll try to upgrade, I'll try to update in terms of the battery performance and other things regarding the MIUI 12 in the Poco F2 Pro. So I'm just waiting for the charging to get low to the 5%, so I can start the charging test in the Poco F2 Pro device. So right now you can see here friends, it's clearly 5% the charging is. So let me try to connect the charger right now. You can see the charger is connected, and here are the statistics you do get with the current charging speed rate, how much you are getting in this phone. So this is what my most concern is, what is the maximum level charging speed rate the Poco F2 Pro can actually record in terms of the highest charging speed rate. So you can clearly see it's trying to increase. So 4591 milliamperes, so 5000 milliamperes, you can see the speed as well. So it's increasing. So with this kind of continuous speed, you will also get average speed as well for 1 hour, how much the battery can charge 100% within 1 hour. And you'll get the detailed statistics as well, how much is the battery level and charging time to 100%, how much time it takes. So overall this is a pretty good application. So again I'll be back after few minutes, like close to 95%. So show you the results, how much time it actually takes to charge. So it also says how much time, 44 minutes to 100%. So let's see, will it charge within 60 minutes or not. So let me turn off the screen during this time. So right now you can see it's been exactly 1 hour of continuously charging the phone, and it got increased by 83%. So as you can see friends, in 1 hour, so charging since 12:17 to 1:17, you can see the time as well. So how much percentage got charged in 1 hour. So again I'll be back once the battery reaches to the 100%, and right now it's maintaining the charging speed of 2000. So charging speed will decrease gradually, as you can see. So again I'll be back after battery reaching to the 100%, so we can calculate how much time it actually took to charge from 5%. So right now you can see here friends, it's been 100% exactly right now. Finally it reached, and it took about 1 hour and 20 minutes to charge from 5%, as you can see. So you can see from the timings here. So when the phone is in on condition, so this is how much the time the Poco F2 Pro has been taken. So when looking at the battery charger 33 watts and battery capacity 4700 mAh, I feel a little bit of long time it has taken to charge complete battery. And this is the temperature during the time, and you can check here the timings. So final friends is a charging test on the Poco F2 Pro device by turning the phone on. So starting from 5% to 100%. So it took about 1 hour and 21 minutes. So that's it for this video. For more videos, to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description also regarding the live wallpapers, so which will be very good in your devices. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.